Welcome to the Pointman Nuvia card printer tutorial guide. Follow the step-by-step instructions to set up and use your device.
In this step, we will guide you through replacing the printer's TPH. Open the top cover fully and locate the TPH inside. Press the side locking levers to release the current TPH. Insert the new TPH along the guide and secure it until it clicks into place. Verify that the TPH connector is fully and correctly attached. Close the printer cover. TPH replacement is complete. After replacing the TPH, check the R value on the sticker below it and update it in the printer's advanced settings. Run a test print from the settings menu to ensure proper operation.
This concludes the Pointman tutorial. For more information, please visit our official website,